Why'd you hit me?
Well, did I?
The Orion Nebula does look beautiful, but let's look a bit closer. Everything in the universe is made out of atoms, including you, and atoms are made out of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So when two negatively charged particles come across each other, they push away. Imagine this, when you try to push magnets by their same poles, they don't actually touch, but you still feel the repulsion happening.
But how do they push each other in the first place?
Well, to explain that, we have to talk about Noether's theorem. Noether's theorem suggests that for every symmetry in the universe, there's a conservation of energy, and today we're going to be talking about gauge symmetry.
So let's say we have a field of particles on this field. Every particle is a wave function and has a phase. So let's call these phases languages. We also have a math formula that is essential to gauge symmetry, because it tells particles how to move and interact with each other. However, it can only understand one language at a time. Now, gauge symmetry is split into two, global and local. On global gauge, every particle's phase is the same, so they speak the same language. And since everybody's speaking one language, the math formula can understand, therefore the math works. But on the local one, each one speaks different languages or has different phases, so the math formula is confused, and the particles can't understand each other. To fix this, the universe has a built-in feature called the electromagnetic field. This field translates what everyone is speaking into one language, so the math can understand and the particles can communicate with each other. Let's take these electrons as an example. When they get too close to each other, they communicate via the electromagnetic field, using virtual photons as their messenger. And when the message is received, they both go their separate ways.
So, sometimes to get out of trouble in life, you just have to look a bit closer.